Gina Pallas here with Homebodies. Today we're going to work on dead bugs on the floor. You can start by lying on your back. You're going to have palms up. And what we're going to do is place the hands on the front of the hip bones so that we can feel if there's any movement. So you're going to take a nice big breath in, feeling your side and back ribs expand. Breathing out, drawing your rib cage and knitting it together, drawing your pelvic floor up while keeping your glutes relaxed. Now we're going to peel one foot off the ground, nice and slow, and then back down again. Keeping that brace, you're going to peel the other leg up and back down. And first side, back down, nice and slow, and then second side. And back down. When you need another breath, go ahead and take it. As you breathe out, you're drawing pelvic floor up, keeping glutes relaxed, keeping neck relaxed, and go again. Now, if you need to reset breath each time you lift up a leg, do it. Not a problem. If you can do a few of them without breathing, that's great too. Either way, we're making sure we're never moving the leg until our core is super, super stable. If you can do this exercise, your abs are going to show up for you with anything that you need to do in life or in your workouts.